Hello, and seventh video on mechanical pencils. And in this video, I will be talking about multiple brand mechanical pencils because in these three brands, I only have a few of each of this brand's mechanical pencils, so I will be combining the three into one video, or else it would be extremely short. So here's the Rotring Tiki series, and here's the Kokuyo series. One is the Kokuyo and other is the OHTO, and then the remaining one are the Sakura ones. So I will first start with the Rotring series. As you can see right here, here's the Tiki mechanical pencil. This one I got in Taiwan, I think. Yeah. And here's the Tiki Special, 5mm. And this is the red version. And I also have the blue version and the yellow version, and I can show you more clearly. Yeah. And the yellow one, Tiki Special by Rotring, Germany. And next is the OHTO mechanical pencil. OHTO is very well known for producing longer than average mechanical pencil in terms of the length of the pencil, as you can see. Well compared to other mechanical pencils, you can clearly see that it's longer. Yeah. And here's the 0.9mm OHTO pencil. And this one here is Japanese, and here means something like sharp pencil, isn't it? I don't know. And there's no eraser on top, but there's this needle for clearing the gem mechanical pencils. Let me fix it back. Let me put it back to the barrel. Yeah. Pretty thick lead. And next, the OHTO Life, made in Japan. This leaf is retractable. And next is the Deluxe 180. Just pretty similar to those I showed you just now. And here's the 0.5mm version of the mechanical pencil I showed you just now. And it's just sharp pencil. Automatic pencil. And here's the gray eraser on top. And finally, here's the OHTO pencil. This one looks nice, and the grip feels good too. And here's the Kokuyo mechanical pencil, and it looks pretty nice, and it also has a twist eraser on top, as you can see. And I like the color of this pencil very much. And finally comes the Sakura and the Uchida mechanical. Oh, I dropped the camera, sorry about that. I will first talk about the Uchida one. The Uchida Micro Shop cartridge pencil. They actually really have a cartridge inside, and it can show you. Yeah. No. Here's the cartridge by Uchida. but then I took the lead away because I don't like the original lead. Anyways, really nice pencil. And next is a couple of Sakura mechanical pencils. This one is a really old one. It has a pink eraser. And this called cushion slide, which means the sleeve is retractable, I guess. It has a nice feel. It doesn't feel like other mechanical pencils. The material, the coat of the pencil is really special. Feels really special, I mean. And next is the graphing pencil of Sakura 125. Classic yellow color. Feels a little bit like the P20 series by Pentel. Yeah, as you can tell from its looks. And finally is the Archie, or Archie, I don't know, mechanical pencil. I really know nothing about this pencil because I couldn't find any information about it. Then it's a very special pencil. As you can see in here, you have some holes in here, which makes the pencil pleasant to write with. I don't know. Archie shows Archie in here. 5,000 yen. Something wrong with the focus. Anyways, the eraser is blue in color if I remember correctly. Very nice. Yeah, blue eraser. Very special pencil. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on my mechanical pencils. Thank you.